Oh, I was muted the whole time. Thank God someone told me. I'm not looking for moderators, sorry. Why did this get stuck? Oh. Vector 2 expected, got vector 3. You just need to be mod? I'm not looking for moderators. Hold on, origin position is hold on, I'm kinda stupid. Wait. Are positions vector 2s? They are. What? Um hold on. What am I doing? What am I doing? Dude, I can't think right now. What is going on? Um it's pivoting to that. The position. Oh my goodness. What? No. Table insert. Oh, it's just X and Z. Okay. Vector 2 expected got a vector 3. Where? Position? Oh. Okay, I understand. Let's call pause 2. Hello. Just gotta fix that. Why do you need to do this client side? Because it's single player. I kind of forgot I was making a client side, honestly. I just want to move this down. That's probably not going to work at all. Did it? Oh, it's working, but it's not telling me any of this. Like, oh, couldn't pick. Closest eye? I don't know if that. Wait, hold on. Five, 10, 5 parts per node placed in the node C frame. I don't know what that. What do you mean? Why is it multiplying? The vector 3? Thank you, man. Wait, why is it 0? I did this on a whiteboard at school, and I kind of just like forgot what it did, so I'm kind of like stuck. Wait, hold on. No, not table.find. No, it's not working. They're supposed to be pointed in the most optimal way to get... Wait, hold on. I think origin position's wrong. No, it's not even running. Oh, if it doesn't equal 1. Wait. Let me just check my code again. Well, I'm using a different system. Pretty much, I've got a grid like this. The walls go in between, by the way, like that. These are like where you can walk. There's an origin node, and it moves randomly in one of the 4 directions, not diagonally, like up, down, left, or right. And what it does is it draws like, well, it on the node that it's on, it makes it point toward where it's going, and it removes any direction from the one it's currently on. And it just keeps repeating this. For example, here it's going to go up. It's going to add an arrow up here. And it's going to remove this one's direction. And it just keeps going and going. It ensures that you can always get around. Also because I want the maze to change around the player. So I'll just have this like going on in the background. Like behind you and stuff. Hold on, I just want to figure out... If closest I does not equal 1. Well, it shouldn't be if it equals 1. No, wait. Which means if it's not invalid. Oh. Tell me about the local player, right? Yeah. Hold on. I'm just trying to figure out what I was doing when I was thinking when I made this. Is it supposed to be bigger or smaller? Smaller. Not bigger. It will never be bigger. It's okay, so Humanoid.root part. Easier way to get humanoid root part. Is that what I'm doing? I don't know what was going on here. Anytime I just tried to just humanoid.root part, it just like everything broke. It just said it didn't exist. That's why I have to like do whatever this is. Yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't. I don't know. I mean, this works, so I just leave it. Okay, I was in the middle of trying to figure out. So this is. Oh, that's why. Wait, hold on. Am I subtracting a magnitude? No. Okay, so it's this. It's getting the distance between this and the one it's checking. It's in the character. Whatever. Hold on. And then it's checking if it's better than. The one it's checking. Oh, it's checking if. Oh my goodness. If this is valid. Like if it's not -1. I could just do nil and then. If closest I. Oh, it's because I'm not actually picking one at random. What? What is it doing? What? Wait, is that better for it to do that? Also, I don't need all these ends if it's gonna do that. Why is it doing that for me? I don't know. I'm not actually setting the rotation, am I? Wait, what am I doing? Bro. Is this guy a dummy? I can't set a rotation of something to a vector 2. What? What am I doing? Nil. It's just infinite nil. It never knows. What? What is... Okay, so something is wrong. If closest I, if it's not... Oh. It's because it's never gonna be, you know, because if it's not. Wait, what am I doing? If it's not valid, which it obviously won't be, then change it. Wait, hold on. Let me go back to my whiteboard. Oh. There we go. Cause now it's like checking. Okay, I'm silly Billy. They're still not rotated. Four. Why is it four every single time? Nil. It's just nil every single time. Also, I've got no clue where the origin position is, so I gotta fix that. I'm just go replicated storage, add a part, make it a ball, change the size to be table with all the nodes. Well, I'm only supposed to have positions and directions. The nodes are only so you can actually see it. Also, I already do. It's called arrows, but I'm gonna be deleting that in the end. Okay, hold on. Let's rename that. Table.create. Hold on. I'm almost done the way I'm trying to do this. I've never used table create. You just define it as like a table, right? Nil with X? Huh? Oh. Okay, it's because... Right. Oh, wait, hold on. Well, the first part that's created... If... Hold on. I need to check if it's the first one. No, hold on. I'm making progress. What am I trying to do? Go on. Oh my god. What am I doing? Hold on. Okay. Oh, it's... Okay. Um... I don't think this is gonna work. Where are all my nodes? Oh, it's nil. Okay, wait, let me just make it 1. Okay, what? I don't think origin position's gonna work, or at least the way I'm getting it. Um, why can't it find it though? Oh, dude, I'm stupid. It's nil again. It's skipping it. Oh, 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 oh. It says it's nil. Huh? Oh, dude, I'm so stupid. There. Hopefully. Uh, it's better, but it's nil every single time. It's probably so irritating to watch. Dude. Whenever I create a new one, it needs to pick a direction. Let's warn instead, because I can't. It's going too fast. I don't. Da, 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 Okay, am I a bum or does it work? There it is. Okay, that's our origin. Oh, it's not anchored. Oops. This was just supposed to work. I don't know why this is so difficult. They should be if they're in line, they should be pointing. That should work. Okay, come on. One. Why? It doesn't make any sense. Wait, how is it 1? Position minus player position. Is it ever not 1? No. Okay, let's remove magnitude. That's not a position. That's a direction. Oh. I need to add it. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Please tell me this works now. Dude, get off my screen. No. Well, now they're different. Look, they're different. Pick one. Rotate. Also, why is it only between 0 and 1? Hold on. It's never saying. Oh my god. It's never ever saying found closest value. What is going on? Maybe I was right. Maybe it's greater. No, but here, that's obvious. Here, it's one or the other. Position is the position. Dude. Position minus the modified position. Print the position. If it's just zeros and ones, everything is wrong. No, look. Wait. I know it's not why it's not working. I'm doing this all wrong, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's origin position. I'm checking if it's closer to the origin. Not if it's closer to itself. What? Oh. Well, they're still not rotated. Look, found closest eye value. Now they all know. But they're still not rotated. All these new nodes should be pointing toward that. Four, three, three, two, two, 4, 3, 2, 2. Great job. You found it. Why aren't you changing? Wait, how about... Wait, once it finds it... I'd rather this work. Dude, they aren't even rotated at all. Wait, they are. They are! I just need to multiply it. Oh my god. Kill me. Kill me. Just kill me. Kill me. Look at that. It's working, but I mean, it's not. Ooh, look at that. Oh, okay, well. Wait, hold on. How does pivot 2 work? Da, 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 da. Don't you notice how I get quiet when there's no one else around? Me and you and awkward silence. Don't you dare look at me that way. I don't need reminders of how you don't feel the same. Oh, the burning pain. Listening to your heart bump about some new soulmate. She's so perfect, blah blah blah. Oh, how I wish you'll wake up one day. And to me confess your love, at least just let me stay. When I talk to you, Cupid walks right through. Shoot down arrow through my heart. Hello. I got it working. Look at that. Okay, the only problem is they're rotating around the middle instead of the ball. The ball is the pivot. So I don't know why they're doing this. Also, these shouldn't be pointing away. These should be pointing toward. It's driving me a bit insane. Have to get. Why are they not updating? Dude! When I talk to you, well, Cupid walks right through and shoots an arrow through my heart. Bro! They aren't updating past the circle! I guess so. I could just do wild true, but I don't want to like go through every single point because when you're like really exploring, there'll be like thousands of points. Oh, this song sucks, dude. Sounds like a Roblox song. I can't skip it because it's the radio though. Down. Wait, actually, hold on. Let me just check something. Maybe I'm rotating them wrong. What's the rotation of this one? Yes. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. Yes! I'm doing something wrong. No. No. Oh my god. I only have to change the Y value. What am I doing? Wait, do I? Do. Oh my god! Wait. Let me just check something. There should only be 2 different rotations here. Simple loop check nodes with your logic, blah blah blah. Change rotation and create new nodes and delete old nodes to prevent memory leaks. I can't really delete old nodes though, because these are gonna be walls at some point, and if they start getting deleted, then like the whole maze is gonna be changing at all times. Like anything behind you, it should be like constantly changing until you like look at it. Okay, hold on. $90, $90, $90, $90, $90. Oh, 90. Dude, no. I said 0. Why is it 90? I gotta do this, because if they're the same, then they cancel out. No. Nah. Oh. No, that doesn't work. Because then you can't have a half direction. How about I just like hold on. I'm just gonna get the part into workspace so I can see how it rotates. This is 0. 90. Nothing. How about 90 this way? That changes it. How about 90 this way? That's up and down. Oh, wait, hold on. I think I messed up everything. I might have to make a separate thing for orientation. Negative 180. Let me just have negative 90. Okay, I'm probably gonna change this. Directions 1, directions... No, just directions and then directions 2. This one's gonna be 0. 0, and then we'll have 180. Y should be 90, and this should be negative 90. Just like that. Yeah, there we go. I just got it, these two inverted. I'm assuming that's up and down. Let's go. No, now they're all inverted. Man, I love living in an era where you can just like make anything you want. This is what I want. What if you could make a website by just saying, this is what I want? Dude, I hate that. I hate that those ads so much. Since you seem to know so much about Studio, do you think you could help me? How do you rotate around the pivot? Like I said, how do you... Actually, hold on. I'll just search up how C-frames work. Rotated C-frame angles with angles and radians. Why wouldn't I just set part.C-frame? Yeah, no, I hate Bing, honestly. I just use Bing because it runs faster. Or no, not Bing. I just use Bing because I'm too lazy. But 90% of the time I switch to Google though. I just don't change it because my Gmail is my full name, and I'd rather not show up on my stream. Low key. Please? Where did they all go? They all disappeared. What even happened? Where are they? They're all at 0, 0. Well, the rotation's correct. What? Eh? What is going on? C-frame times C-frame angles. I just add a multiplication there. Eh? There we go. I'm just rotating on the wrong axis. Yes. Yes. Okay. Everything is working as intended. Wait, hold on. No, they're not. Dude. It's still not on its pivot. Oh. Wait. That vector right there is the rotation. Plus vector axis times 10. Alright, well, good luck. Eh? Okay, don't do that. So I pivot to, park it, pivot. A. You pivot times Z-frame angles 0 directions 2 closest I. Nope. 0 okay. Is that? Oh my god, what happened? I didn't do radians. Yes! 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 Wait, hold on. I think this just works. Look, they're all pointing into the origin. Oh my god, wait, it works! Wait, and I don't even have to do my stupid system where I pick a random thing on the corner. It just does it for me. It just picks a closer one. It's perfect! Yo! Oh my god. Okay, now I just have to fix these ones on the side. W. That took me too long. Again, that took me an hour, like on the dot, to do. I'm such a silly Billy dude. Only did 200 lines of code. Ow. Hold on. I want to say hold on, dude. Everyone's waiting. Okay, so whenever it creates a node, it always runs create node. Wait, unless branch doesn't create a new node. Yeah, every single time it branches, new position. A new position creates node. So whenever it creates a node, it should pick a rotation and pivot. Wait, hold on. Do I even have to do this? No, it's always finding a closest I value. Yo, hello. Please tell me this works now. Closest I is invalid. Over and over and over and over. Print. Yo. Find value 40 times? 200 times. I don't know why it did it again. But once I load anything new, it's just errors. It just doesn't know what to do anymore. These should all still be pointing toward the middle. Are you coding? Yes, I am coding. Why is this still not working, dude? Oh my god. Okay, so anytime I run create node, it's paired with might even use test positions. What does test position even do? Nothing. Nothing. It does nothing because I stopped it. It's like congregation. What? Born closest. I is not. It's not. Every single time. But it says found value. What? Closest I is not? What? Well, it's just invalid. It's not even doing anything. Use Blender for blending? Great. Dude, what is so difficult about this? If you can pick its position... Is it because origin position's invalid? No, no, no. Origin position was invalid. Closest eye is invalid. Okay, so print the eye number. Okay. No, but it should be setting it. Hold on. In case it's invalid, print the number I, like print I. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, look at that. Closest eye is invalid. Wait, didn't I just add that? No, I didn't. It's not doing anything. Look, it's not even going through any of this. The only possible code that can work in your head is XYZ. Oh, I keep saying I hate this. Oh, it stopped. It's not... Dude, it's just skipping all of it. What's going on? Da, 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 da. Oh my god, I hate this. Created a new node. Created a new node. What is wrong with this? How is it invalid? It literally sets it over and over and over. You know what? There. Oh, I have to be real. Hold on. Da, 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 da. Try to take a picture. I think my lip just busted again. Okay. There. Now it has to be valid. Okay, well, it's not invalid, but now it just doesn't really know what it's doing. And this isn't gonna work. Okay, so something's wrong with the system I'm making. Wait, so it's going past this? What is happening? It's printing it, which means it's no. It's just skipping everything. What? What is going on? I hate this so much. What, like... Okay, I'm just gonna print every single time. You know what? I don't even care. Alright, let's see it. Its origin position. Origin position. Stop. Its origin position. And then it just gives up. Almost done. What? Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Its origin position. It's this. It's because I locked it. Kill me. Kill me. Dude, watch it work now. Oh, I'm such an idiot, dude. Oh my god. It was that one word. Get rid of all this. Check this out. Look at this. Now the grid continues. Forever. Now, I can actually start working on the code to make the maze, because this is not a maze. This is just a corridor. I just want to take a bit of a break. That one mistake of not using my position cost me like 30 minutes. Dude. Look, and it just works. It just works. Oh my goodness. I have no clue how I'm gonna make this feel immersive enough. Like, well, not immersive, but I'm gonna need super, super high fog to actually make this feel infinite. Well, I'd probably crank up the max distance to like 300. It's not suffering too badly. Okay, now it comes to the hard part. I have to make... Hold on, what is wrong with this? Why does it say this every single time? Events is not a valid member of replicate storage. Replicate storage. Is it just like an error? Time from dusk to dusk. I keep getting distracted, sorry. Roblox does grass so well. Oh, they like load less grass. Okay, I'm actually like a drooling baby, dude. Now I need the origin position to randomly move, and then it needs to like change values and stuff. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a mess. La, 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 la. I'm putting it off because I know this is gonna be kind of difficult. I've like pre-planned everything except for this. Now I have to do this all manually. You're gonna like actually see my thought process. I don't even know how it's doing this, because if that's the origin point, no, that's the origin point. Why is it taking this zigzag path? Like, for example, here, I was thinking it would be random, right? Because this is just as close as that. Same with this one. Like this is just as close to the middle as that one. Why is it doing a zigzag? Why is it symmetrical? Like, why is this one not over there? Like what? Oh, I have the code for the walls, the wall generation. Like the in-betweens. Like in here. Like figuring out where like these actual lines are. Remember, these are not the walls, these are the paths that I walk on. Can't believe I used to play Roblox like this. Okay, I gotta stop putting it off. I gotta do it. I don't want to do it. Okay. Right here, we're gonna do local function update origin. Origin. If table dot find positions origin position plus is origin position? Yeah, origin position's a vector too. Origin position plus math, no, directions math dot random 1 4 times grid size, then temp, no, local try there equals grand temp and temp. Repeat until origin position equals plus directions rand temp times grid size. Okay, I think that's it. Then we do this. Then we do update origin. Please don't give me a bunch of errors. I actually don't know where the origin is. It seems to have run away from me. The position's not changing. It should be changing like a lot. Oh, wait. Wait, hold on. No. Now I have to do the math. I can't just change a random one. I have to change the node it's currently on. Ugh. I can't just do this. I mean, I can do that. But first I have to do directions. No. Rotations. Equals nah, let's do new 0, 0 so I can see it easier. This is not gonna work. This is just straight up not gonna work. And then what I need to do is the rotation of its original position needs to be now changed to where it's going. Wait. No, but that's easy. That's easy. Equals table dot find positions. No. Directions. Hold on. It's what am I adding to rotations? What is going on? Help me. Directions to closest eye. Wait, I actually don't have anything for it. Rotations. Equals there we go. You're at this point, you give up? I've been okay. Table find rotations. Wait. The place with the origin position. The place that is the same as the origin position. Wait. Rotations. I need to change the rotation to be... Actually, no. It should just be closest eye. Let's do this. Rotations. So the position that origin position was on needs to be now pointing in Oh, this sucks. Oh my god. No. The place that it was originally in. This needs to be random temp. This isn't gonna work. Simple, dimple, simple, dimple, simple, dimple. Right? There we go. Where's my origin part? You bum. There we go. It's like always changing. I can't see it though. Oh. There it is. I wonder why it's like invisible. Do you see it like moving around? Like crazy? It's shuffling the maze. I don't know why it keeps slowing down. Where is it? I keep losing it because it's so fast. Yeah, it's going crazy. Okay, so all the values are changing. Function refresh rotations for I in arrows do sure. No, don't keep doing it. I don't think that's gonna work. Roblox say I wanted to just really wanted to jump in and just do it for me. If it just like becomes a maze instantly, I'll freak out. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, they're all pointing to the new origin. Yeah, do you see this? Brad expected. Got nil. What is it doing? Pivot to. I genuinely, I don't know what it's doing. How did I originally set the position, the rotation? Directions to closest eye. Okay. La la la. Pivot to. Instead of closest eye, it's rotations eye. Right? Huh? Rad expected got nil. No, oh my god. I'm genius. Please don't give me an error. Just become a maze. Do it. I believe in you. Become a maze. Hey. Oh. Rad. Well, the thing is, before I just... Oops. Where did it go? I don't really know what's going on. It's gonna give me an error. Because it's, what, it's like not the right thing? Because you suck. Yeah, look, it's a maze. You see this? It's pointing through here, and it's... Whoa. That's an isolated area. Wait, did it all just shuffle? No, this is all wrong. Where's my origin? Still flying around, I think. No. Got nil. Which part is nil? Rotations. For each arrow, get its... Okay, so it did a bunch, and then all of a sudden it just did 0, 0. Come on. Let's go. Should be no isolated areas. Come on, shuffle it. Do it. Do it. It's nil again. And there's so many isolated areas. Well, actually, no, this is like one of the only isolated areas. The places with isolated areas also have broken things in them. This one doesn't. This one's just a circle. This is very close to working. There. Okay, there. That should work. No more errors. No more. Shut up. Look, it's like mixing up the maze. But why is it slowing down? Oh, it just like updated for a second and then it reset again. What? Is it like overflowing? What's happening? What? What? What was that? I think it's like kind of working. Like, let's say I was like in the maze. Why is it slowing down so much? Okay, update origin. You need to do tasks that way. 100%. We're going too fast. You gotta slow down. Where's the origin? It doesn't exist because I changed it. There. Look at it going crazy. So it's going crazy right now. It just randomly slowed down. What? Why is it doing that? Okay, I'm turning debug mode on. Where is it? Branch. It's going crazy. And it slows down every single time it branches. Okay, I don't need that task to wait on the origin. I need more. I need to wait longer on branching. Oh, I think it's because it's branching and it just keeps going and going and going. It's just like not waiting anymore. Where is branch? I have so much stuff, dude. There's branch. I mean, it's cool to see it, but... And then it's branching again. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's way too slow. Get rid of that. We're not waiting anymore. It's just gonna have to slow down. Hold on, I think I messed up something, because this, like, branching is really slowing everything down. And then the maze generation's messed up. There we go. See, the problem with this is that it's like, it's almost like it's not fast enough. You see that? So, right now, I'm just gonna have it go. Just go crazy. Attempt it. For I in... No, 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 dude, you suck. For I... be 100. For I... Oh. Right, I completely forgot. No, 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 you stupid idiot. There, now it should just do 100 times. It's gonna go crazy. It's also going crazy on my FPS. Wait, but hold on, hold on. How fast? How like scrambled is this? Scrambled, very. Oh, and it's very broken. That's too many. Okay, it was just like a test. Can it handle 10 a second? Or 10 every frame? I gotta say, it's pretty bad. Like, it's doing a lot of calculations. So, like, it generates more. It's unscrambled. But because it's going so fast, hopefully this is scrambled. Yeah, see, it just came over here and scrambled it. And then everything's gonna get scrambled again. You ready? Oh. That's kind of weird. It's not scrambling it fast enough. Do you see this? I shouldn't see these straight lines. What? Oh. I did it. I did it, bro. Whenever it branches, my FPS comes back. Okay, we'll do 3. We'll do 3 times a second. Just like a little faster. Something's really wrong with like... Wait, hold on. Is it because it's printing? Do you think printing's slowing everything down? I'm sorry, I'm like, I talk so like loud. I completely fixed my FPS. Look at that. Oh, so orange means lag spike. Look at it, it's going crazy, dude. Okay, well, it updating everything is still kind of broken, but you get the point. It works. I think that's yeah, well, I got what I wanted done today. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So, if you made it to the end of the stream, if you made it to the if you made it to the end of the stream, thank you for sticking around. But this is all I got for you guys today. Again, glad I made some progress. Why is it not updating? Dude, refresh. Whatever. But yeah. See you guys on Friday for the level crest stream. Have a great rest of your day and night, wherever, and I will see you guys in the next stream. See ya!